7. That's a lot of inches.
It can't go all the way to here. Oh God. Oh God.
What are we gonna do?
Screws. Needles. Screw needles. Screw needles.
You need some screws.
Screw needles. Screw needles for this truck.
Be careful. When we're working with tools, you gotta be careful, huh?
Yeah. Need a band-aid now. You go get my truck a band-aid.
Your truck's okay. Trucks don't need band-aids.
Fake band-aid. I put on the fake band-aid.
Yeah, he's okay. You didn't hurt him too bad. Luckily, he's okay.
And why did Will not play with me?
Be careful.
What should we do now? Now it's your turn to do it.
My turn.
Yeah. Oh, what are we doing?
Good job. Whoa, careful. Stop. Don't do that. Don't do that.